Hey everyone, today we are reviewing the Honor Magic 7 Lite. It comes with a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, packed with a massive 6600 battery, so stay tuned for the full review and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. The phone stands out with its sleek curved design and large AMOLED display. It offers a great screen-to-body ratio, making it immersive for video and gaming, yet still slim and comfortable to hold. Despite the big screen, the phone feels well balanced and refined thanks to its slim profile, measuring just 8mm thick. It features a camera ring on its rear, a 108MP main camera, and is running Android 14. The screen features an ultra-resistant curved 6.7-inch AMOLED display. With a sharp HD+ resolution, it delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth visuals thanks to a 120Hz refresh rate and heats up to 4000 nits brightness, making it easy to see even under direct sunlight. The punch-hole camera keeps the screen immersive and modern. It also provides a temporary always-on display, so you can quickly check the time or notifications. The phone features an in-display fingerprint sensor. It's fast and offers reliable security with quick unlock, making it convenient even in bright or low light. Watching video on the Honor Magic 7 Lite is a great experience, thanks to its big 6.7-inch AMOLED screen. It's super bright and offers vibrant colors for an ultimate viewing experience. Viewing angles are wide and consistent, so colors stay accurate from almost any angle. But keep in mind there is no HDR support. The Honor Magic 7 Lite features a 16MP selfie camera that takes bright, clear photos and records video in 1080p. On the back, it has a 108MP main camera that captures sharp, colorful photos and records video in 4K. Notably, Honor removed the macro camera, a smart move since it was pretty useless on the Magic 6 Lite. It also includes a 5MP depth sensor for smooth background blur in portrait mode. Overall, it's a solid and practical camera setup for everyday use. The Honor Magic 7 Lite includes an AI editor that lets you delete unwanted objects from your photos, which sounds great in theory. However, in practice, it doesn't always work as smoothly as expected, sometimes leaving noticeable marks. It's a handy tool for quick fixes, but don't rely on it for perfect edits just yet. Hopefully, future updates will improve its accuracy. Powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, the Magic 7 Lite delivers solid performance. On AnTuTu, it scores around 600,000, which is beating the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14, but falls just a little short of the Poco X7. In Geekbench, it hits 900 in single-core and 2700 in multi-core, showing strong multitasking skills. Finally, with a GPU score of 1300, it performs graphically close to a Galaxy A52, but still very far behind the top premium devices. Overall, it's a powerful and reliable choice for most users. On the gaming side, the phone delivers decent performance. Even with demanding titles like Genshin Impact on high settings, the game runs smoothly most of the time, though you might notice occasional frame drops during intense scenes or heavy combat. The Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 and the Adreno 710 help maintain a playable experience, and the large AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate makes gameplay feel fluid. It's not a flagship-level gaming phone, but it handles games surprisingly well for its class. The phone features dual stereo speakers, one at the top and a second speaker at the bottom, with clear, loud sound. Let's have a quick demo. The Honor Magic 7 Lite impresses with its big AMOLED screen. It's designed with reinforced glass that helps protect against scratches, drops, and pressure. Perfect for users on the go. And with its IP64 protection, it's built to handle everyday conditions. An impressive 6600 battery which charges from 0 to 100 in less than 1 hour, and its performance powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or for everyday use, this phone is one of the best choices in this price range under €300. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I buy all these devices with my own money to bring you honest reviews. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments section, and thank you for your support. See you on the next one.